Hello dear friends, make dinner with me, Afro Carol Kitchen. If you are new here, my returning subscriber, you're most welcome. I say hello to you. So here is my green peas, which is already been cooked. I have some carrots, I have some onion, garlic, and piece of ginger, tomatoes, and spinach. So keep watching as I take you through my Thursday dinner today. How is everyone, by the way, guys? Simple, easy recipes in my kitchen. I use just simple ingredients, not too much, not complicated. As I'm cooking, I'll show you guys what my ingredients are so that someone else can learn while I'm also learning from you guys. How is everybody's day today? Mine was so great and is still great, I thank God. So cook with me. Now here is our oils are ready. Let me add some onion. Let it cook a little. My potatoes boiling. Our potatoes are done. Here they are. I'm going to roast it. My onion is almost, it is ready. And there I have minced meat. That's what I'm eating with rice. I didn't show you guys my rice is there. It's ready. Using some garlic and ginger. And whizzing some ginger. Ginger is harder. I like squeezing it instead of pounding it, but I don't like the chewy like this one here. When you squeeze it, it's better than pounding it. Tomatoes. Everything to cook before adding spices and my spices. Our sauce is done. Our veggies is also done. We're going to serve our dinner, guys. So guys, here is our dinner for today. You can see this is our finishing product. We have our potato, green peas, minced meat, and rice, and fresh orange juice. Welcome to enjoy this dinner with Afro Carol Kitchen. Keep watching. Thank you for subscribing and helping my channel to grow. God bless all of you. Have a good night. I love you. See you another day.